In this lesson, we're going to look at how to use instance of. Now, to use instance of, we're going to look at a bank account real quick. This bank account object is fairly self-explanatory. It's not very complicated. We've got our field balance, two constructors, one no parameter sets the balance to 0, one with a parameter and sets the balance to that parameter. It's got an accessor method get balance, which returns the field. It's got a method withdraw, which takes a parameter, decreases the balance by that parameter, and if it's less than 0, it's got a penalty of $25, and then a deposit method, which increases the balance by the parameter deposit. So I said, there's not a fairly complicated class here. Now, instance of, the way instance of it works, it's used to determine what class an object is. It's not an and, that should be an and. What class an object is. Note, instance of is a rare case where the second word does not start capitalized. Yeah, look at that, instance of. Of is lowercase. Generally speaking, that does not happen very often. So I create a bank account B. I set it equal to bank account. So here I can check to see if B is an instance of bank account. And if it is, it prints it out. Hey, it's a bank account. Else, it's not a bank account. So I can check what class B is. Now note, instance of can only be used with inheritance. This means you cannot use instance of to check if objects are of some random unrelated class. So here, if I try to see if B, which is a bank account, is an instance of string, it's going to give me an error because it can't compare bank account to string. Instance of only works with inheritance. So what I'm working with has to be a bank account object of some variety. And that is how you use instance of. And that's the end of this lesson.